Today is one of the most satisfying days. हर एक की जिंदगी में कुछ satisfying day होते हैं. So today, looking at our DG sir, who has been always right from the day one supporting us, RMB, our secretary साहब, executive secretary साहब, and Abhinav, who has been I think the oldest RMBian among us in NCR. But let me share brief because आज हम देख रहे हैं कि हमारे पास बहुत सारे लोग इकट्ठे हैं, बहुत सारे लोग कुछ काम भी कर रहे हैं, सब कुछ कर रहे हैं. But how it all started? It was 25th October 2023. For the first time in my life, I attended one district conference. It was not actually a conference, it was some talk, PhD Chamber of Commerce mein. And for the first time I heard the name RMB. It came to my ears, it was like a music to me. So I went back home and I started looking for it. They said so many RMBians are there, so many countries, so many cities have got already chapters. I was looking for Delhi chapter and there was none. There was a Gurgaon chapter nearby and the second nearest by Meerut. I thought, let me apply. I applied. 2 days after that, 27th October 2023, I got the certificate, charter and everything done. Now, how to start? Because it is just like starting any business, anything. You start something you must have started. Journey is absolutely like that. One thing I told myself, one morning at around 4 o'clock, 2 lines came to my mind. निकल पड़े हैं तो मंजिल तक पहुंच ही जाएंगे. निकल पड़े हैं तो मंजिल तक पहुंच ही जाएंगे. ठोकरें जहर तो नहीं है कि खाएंगे और मर जाएंगे. रोटरी ब्रांड से आपको ट्रस्ट मिलता है और आप दिल खोल के अपना काम कर सकते. नए साल की सबको शुभकामनाएं और मुझे ये पूरी उम्मीद है कि हमारे जो राजेश भाई हैं, जो हमने कहते ना बड़ी से बड़ी जर्नी छोटे स्टेप से शुरू होती है, हमने वो एक स्टेप लिया था, बट अब उसको आगे कहां तक ले जा सकते हैं. मेरे ख्याल से स्काई इज ऑल्सो नॉट द लिमिट. और जितना मैं राजेश जी को जानता हूं, जहां पे मैं छोड़ रहा हूं ना, उससे ये बहुत आगे मैनी फोल्ड्स आगे लेके जाएंगे. और मुझे लगता है आप सब अगर इनको एक बार जोरदार ताली से इनका स्वागत करेंगे. थैंक यू वेरी मच सर. थैंक यू.
Mr. Rajesh Gupta is a seasoned leader in the educational publishing industry with over 25 years of experience. He is a co-director of Millennium Bookstores Private Limited.
Congratulations, Rajesh ji.
Secretary DG sir, Ravi Gurnani ji, Dr. Ravi Gurnani ji, and other dignitaries. Welcome all. Thank you very much for this responsibility what I am getting. It is both an honor and responsibility for me to accept the role of chairman today. I sincerely thank DG sir, our chief guest, for his gracious presence and continuously inspiring us for this clarity, conviction and forward-looking vision. Wonderful. Thank you, sir. This year, our focus is clear and unapologetic. Business ke dhurandhar. So, this is not just a slogan. It's a mindset. A mindset where RMBians are not passive networkers only, but active business builders, where meetings do not end in introductions, but results in collaboration, growth and leadership. What Business Ke Dhurandhar means in action: high impact visibility. We all do meetings every month. Every member will get one focused minute to present their business, supported by their business logo or a short audio visual slide on screen. Why? Because so that every RMBian knows who you are, what you do and whom to connect with you. Because then every RMBian, every Rotarian will know about that, and whenever required they can speak about that wherever they are, and automatically they will be promoting you. What we have to do is, after the meeting, what you have, every member has to do one-to-one meetings. That is must. Talk about your business, talk about your things. Definitely you'll get connects there. So that is a must. And industry focused and educational led sessions we'll be doing in this meetings, where RMBians present their business in depth and explore collaboration opportunities. Our new team, to all of you, our founder chairman and our mentor, Dr. Anil Sethi, sir. Vice Chairman, Arun Rungta ji. Our current Vice Chairman, Arun Rekha ji. Our Director for Membership and Public Image, Rajiv Tukral ji, standing there at the back. Our Secretary, Naveen Kalra ji. Our Joint Secretary, Ajay Basin ji. जितना भी ऑर्गेनाइज हुआ है, इनमें सारी टीम ने बहुत काम करा है. स्पेशल थैंक्स टू राजीव जी एंड संदीप चोपड़ा जी. थैंक यू.
Welcome Alok Jain ji to our RMB chapter Southwest. Welcome. Welcome Mohammed ji to RMB chapter Southwest. Welcome. Last month only. Tania. बिजनेस के धुरंधर आकाश सागर गुप्ता जी,
अभी आपकी ड्यूटी खत्म नहीं हुई मैडम?
ये तो इम्प्रूव करनी है।
Newly installed President Rajesh Gupta ji, Founder Chairman, District Chairman, RMB Abhinav Bansal, the newly installed team members, big purpose and business follows the values. Rotary always believes that business is guided by two things, ethics and integrity. And when it is guided by these two things, it becomes a big force for good. And I think RMB reflects this belief by building trust, by building partnerships and shared vision. Congratulations, newly installed President Rajesh. I just heard you and your vision is very clear. I was speaking to Rajesh that we have got 120 clubs in the country and South is pretty more strong than the North. So the conclave you said, I as a district governor, if you do before 30th June, I promise I'll support you in a big way. But मेरी एक धारणा है कि अगर मैं कुछ बोलता हूं तो मैं उसको करता हूं, बिकॉज आई वाज जस्ट वंडरिंग कि वी हैव सो मेनी बिग परचेजेस. मैं अपनी परचेज देखूं तो इट इज मोर देन 20 crores a year and I do hardly any business with a Rotarian. Though at times I feel that Rotary professional groups, one more group is there that is more active. So we actually need to make our RMB group much bigger and bigger. And we should ensure that Rotarians do business with the Rotarians only because ethics और integrity तो जुड़ी हुई है. बात पैसे की नहीं होती है, बात है कि जो चीज मिलेगी अच्छी मिलेगी. So we have 2 Bollywood nights this year. Thank you so much. Thank you. It's a privilege. It's a privilege. कपड़े सिलवाने
आपकी कपड़े जो पहन के जाओगे वो उतर जाएंगे.
But thanks to Dr. Sethi and our Vice Chairman, that we are able to sail through and we are able to reach a level. And our Chairman has already presented his vision on this one and all. And meeting, networking is the key thing going to happen this year. And maybe with different cities, maybe we'll try for international also in that area and all that.
Namaskar and a very energetic good evening. Before I start, I would like to remind and invite you all on 26 January. We have the Kavi Sammelan. शाम की तन्हाई में भी हम महफिल सजाते हैं जब आप जैसे दोस्त यहाँ तशरीफ लाते हैं. First and foremost to our Chief Guest, DG Rotarian Ravi Gugnani ji. Thank you for blessing us with your presence. हजारों दिए चाहिए रोशनी के लिए, पर आपका एक चेहरा ही काफी है इस शाम की चमक के लिए. For ideas of promoting RMB in conference, sir. Thank you. I must give a special shout out to the pillar of RMB and our founder, Vice Chairman Rotarian Arun Rungta. Thank you for being our constant support.
Big round of applause.
And let the evening become truly memorable. Jai Hind, Rotary Zindabad. और with the commitment DG sir, this is the beauty of Rotary.